My name's Allison, Allison Yunt. I'm a sales rep for Gordon Food Service. Dr. Brent started treating my husband first, actually. Once we started getting Randy in here, we told Dr. Brent about Zachary. And Zachary's 8 years old right now. At the age of 4, he again had severe ear infections from about 6 months to almost 3. And at the age of 4, we found out that he was asthmatic. We didn't know that he was asthmatic until he had a full blown out asthma attack. His lips were blue, his breathing was very shallow. We rushed him to the hospital. And he's been on 3 medications every day for the last 4.5 years. Zachary had no problems with Dr. Brent in coming for chiropractic treatment. He was a little apprehensive at first. He didn't know what it was. Dr. Brent took the time to really sit with him, talk to him, explain what it was the procedure was, what it was that he was treating. He doesn't talk down to the children either. He's incredible the way that he explains things to them and treats them like little adults, and really gets the message across to them about what it is that they're treating and how he can help them. And as a child that can't play a sport or has trouble playing sport because being an asthmatic, it's an incredible, empowering experience for that child to speak to a doctor that actually says, I can help you. He's been seeing him now for almost 8 months. He hasn't used his blue puffer, which was twice a day, 7 days a week. He hasn't used that in 3 months. The purple puffer now, he's seeing his pediatrician, and his pediatrician is thrilled. He's down to 1 dose a day instead of 2. The nasal spray, he doesn't take at all anymore. And the singular, he's down to a 2.5 milligram dose once a night, and that's it. So it's incredible. You worry about your children being on those kinds of drugs on a daily basis, 7 days a week. That's a lot. And in 8 months, you can see the difference in him. He's playing sports. He played hockey this year for the first time. Not being able to breathe while you're playing a sport is heartbreaking. And this was the first year he played hockey without having to use an inhaler. It was incredible. I would find a chiropractor early on in life and make sure that you include them in any decisions with regards to your child's health, your health, any part of your family's health. I would automatically put a chiropractor in the same boat when you're taking care of your children. Make sure that you have one on call, because you have no idea how incredible it is to have one on call.